Support for the Arkansas PBS Writers Contest is provided by the June Hose Williams Endowment.
My name is Sadie. I'm going into second grade. I like to write because it's fun. And today I'm going to read my story, The Lonely Giant. Once there was a little dog who was black and white with pink collar. One day she went out for a walk. She was going down the sidewalk and the little dog saw a dog which looked like a giant coming her way. He was black with one white dot on the tip of his tail. He barked to the little dog, "Get out of my way." The little dog moved. That's not nice, she thought. So she walked to her friend. She paid Collie beefy bites to scare the giant away. Although would it work? The giant snarled, "Go away." It did not work. Collie was scared and ran. The little dog sighed. Finally, she came up with a great idea. Maybe the big dog just didn't have any friends. She asked her friends if they wanted to meet a giant. They said yes. They found him at the crowded dog park under a tree. The little dog yelled and the giant looked up. She said, "Do you want friends?" The giant said, "How did you know?" She said, "I've been watching and you seem lonely." She introduced him to her friends. The giant never bore after that. The end.